I, Radhika Bhojiraja, on behalf of Legal Advice Guru, have come up today with a live advisory show, and we have today Shri Vijay Kumar Kaushal, Advocate, Punjab and Haryana High Court, our Senior Counsel at Legal Advice Guru, and Colonel Vinod Bhalla. A very warm welcome to you, sir, today on our show. Colonel Vinod Bhalla is a resident of Zirakpur, owning an apartment over there. Today, he is going to ask questions live from Shri Vijay Kumar Kaushal. And our show today is meant to solve the problems of the apartment owners. Now, I may ask Colonel Vinod Bhalla to directly ask his queries from our senior counsel.
Dr. Saab, thank you very much. My first basic question for the RWA is, who is a resident and who is a member of the society?
These are two different persons. Member is the owner of the apartment, and whereas the resident is only a resident who can be a tenant also. The tenant has nothing to do so far as the Residents Welfare Association is concerned.
Sir, thank you very much. You explained who is a resident, who is a member. My next question is that, is a resident allowed to attend AGM, GVM of a meeting, which is an official meeting of the society?
No, it's not possible, because there are associations bylaws. They are registered, they are statutory in nature. Only the members, they can attend the meeting, not any other person.
When you say only member, you mean to say a member has to be registered as per the bylaws, because there is some registration fee to be paid, the property has to be registered on his name. Can you please elaborate a little bit for clarification of the viewers?
Members, the term members is fully described in the association bylaws. A member is the person who has purchased the property in his name and has also registered with the society, a Resident Welfare Association, by paying a certain amount of fee. That is fully described in the bylaws.
Sir, my next question is, what are the provisions for passing of any resolution in a GVM or AGM by the meeting whenever it is ordered or held?
The members constitute as persons who are the members of the general body meeting. In this case, you cannot include the residents of the area. Only members can participate, and there are also provisions in the bylaws of the society that whenever 1/3 or 2/3 members of the AGM pass a resolution, that will be valid. If requisite number of members of the association are not present, then the meeting would have to be adjourned. It may wait for the same day, or it may fix another date for that purpose.
Sir, a connected question with this. Suppose my brother has come and today is a AGM or GVM in the evening. I want to take him to the AGM or GVM. Can I take him to that place?
It's not legally permissible. However, with the consent of the board, the body which is controlling the Resident Welfare Association, it may be possible if they permit. Otherwise, legally speaking, any relation is not permitted. Only members are permitted to participate in the meeting.
Sir, a little related question to this, which happens in a society scene. Can the defaulter members, when I say defaulter, he can be defaulter in his payment of bills, payment of dues, can be allowed to attend an RWA, or the board of directors should display the list of people who can attend the meeting so that there is clarity about it?
In fact, in the bylaws it is clearly mentioned, if it is restricted that the members who are in default, they cannot participate in the AGM, then they cannot. If the bylaws do not restrict such entry, then they may.
Sir, my next question is a little touchy, which generally happens into disputes in the RWS. That is the issue of monthly maintenance charges. Now, it is very clearly written in the Act that in the very first meeting, the board must take a decision on what MMC is to be charged and on what basis it is to be charged. Sir, what happens in case the board takes a decision in violation of the bylaws regarding charging of MMC at different rate what is mentioned there in the bylaws?
In fact, bylaws is the Bible for the Residents Welfare Association. They cannot violate the provisions contained in the bylaws of the association. If they conduct any violation, then the resolution which is passed by the board of directors of the society, that resolution will be treated as null and void.
Sir, suppose by voting in a GBM or AGM, by majority of votes, a resolution is passed, but that is in violation of the bylaws, rules of the bylaws. Will that stand any grounds?
No, that will be illegal.
My basically ending to inquiries, that is, in case any resident which feel I have been aggrieved by the society, in case any member feel aggrieved that he has been taken for a ride in violation of the bylaws, what should he do to safeguard his interests?
There is a competent authority which is constituted by the state government. That competent authority is competent to look into all the grievances of the members of the society. A complaint can be made to the society. Then there is a procedure prescribed for that. Then the grievance of the member of the society can be redressed through this process.
Sir, sometimes what happens, because of some confusion or some misleading, the board of directors take a wrong decision which is in violation of the bylaws. How can it be rectified? It is known that it is a wrong decision which has violated the bylaws.
It would be appropriate first you move before the board of directors, who are the elected members of the Resident Welfare Association, apprise them of the wrongful act which they have done. If they don't accept to the request, then the other course which I have suggested you earlier, going before the competent authority appointed by the state to get that set aside. If you don't get any relief even from the competent authority, then there are courts of laws where you can move, you can file a civil suit to claim your, redress your grievance.
Sir, that is the question which you said कि they should go for a civil suit. But my question is that, sir, next, that suppose a single resident who may be little ignorant about the laws, but he comes to know that my interests are being harmed, can he directly approach and for his redressal of grievances to the competent authority by writing a letter, by sending an email with all the necessary proofs and documents?
Yes, even an individual can move before the competent authority. There is no such restriction.
Sir, basically with my experience, I have been president of the RWs also, I have made the bylaws also, but here I feel that the residents are little ignorant about what bylaws, they do not know what bylaws are there, what is to be done. Can you suggest something, advice to the residents? What should they do as a vigilant participant in the society?
In fact, ignorance of law is no excuse as per the law settled by our country. However, you being the ex-president, you can also take initiative to make the residents aware of the bylaws by circulars, by personal meetings, or by emails. Today is a very fast, you can send the emails also. You can apprise the members of the society so that they are aware of the bylaws. So far as the awareness of the members of the RWA is concerned, in fact, you being the ex-president of the association, you can take initiative of making them aware of the bylaws. You can send them emails, you can also have personal meetings with them.
Educate them also.
Ignorance of law is definitely no excuse for this purpose.
Kaushal Sahab, my last question is a very straight question in the interest of not one RWA but all the RWAs of Jirakpur or nearby areas. In case any violation is committed by the board of directors and it is made and they are made aware of it and they realize it that it has been done, you have already explained it, but is not it better to convince the public, convince the resident that it was not intentional, it was not with a financial motive, and it has been done because of some error of thought or something? Can it be corrected at home, or once it is observed, the legal action has to be taken?
Basically, the person who is the aggrieved person, it is his option whether he want to convince the board of directors of the RWA at his level orally or by making a representation before them, or again still if it is not possible, then he can definitely approach the competent authority, as I have already said, with his complaint for the illegal act done by the society or passing of any illegal resolution. If still the relief is not given to him, then the courts are open. Or if the society is registered with the registrar, cooperative societies, then you have to approach the registrar cooperative society. There is an inspector who can visit your society, who can look into the legalities or illegalities done by your society. So if it is registered, then you can also go before the registrar cooperative societies.
Sir, you mean to say in very clear terms that there is no option in case a breach of law is committed. But can the law or the bylaws can be amended subsequently after a wrong has been done?
In the meeting of the AGM, any decision can be taken for amendment of the bylaws if the board of directors of the RWA are convinced that such a law is required to be changed.
So, thank you very much, Kaushal Sahab, for sparing your valuable time and calling me to get my doubts clear. It's not my doubts, it's basically many RWs who will be educated after seeing this thing. There is no personal issue on this, but the problems which I come to know being a member of many RWAs. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Honor to meet you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Colonel Vinod Bhalla and Shri Vijay Kumar Kaushal, for being on our show today. Our viewers today who are watching this show, if you have any query relating to the problems faced by the apartment owners, can comment below in our comment section, and do not forget to ring the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. I may also announce today to our viewers who are watching this show that you can get free legal advice from 3 to 5 p.m. on every Saturday by getting yourself registered at admin@legaladviceguru.com. Thank you very much.